Today we're going to look at a new fountain pen from Aurora. This is the Aurora Limited Edition Ambienti Tundra fountain pen. And this is a quick unboxing so you can get a good look at the pen. First, the packaging. It does come with a really distinctive custom packaging, and it's used throughout from the exterior sleeve all the way down to some of the interior packaging, so that's really nice. I like when it's thorough. You just slip that sleeve off, and inside you have your glossy black box, and it's a really nice, well-made box. You just lift off the top, and then you have a fold down side so you can get the interior gift box out easily, and that's a really solid hinged gift box, and you open it up and all of your different pieces and parts that come with your pen are inside. Okay, and we'll start with the pen. It's got a plastic sleeve on it for extra protection. You just slide it right out, and this is your limited edition Aurora Ambienti Tundra. You do get a distinctive ink that comes with your pen. Each pen in this collection has an ink that's chosen specifically to support the theme. So this is the ink chosen to support the Tundra theme. You also get a little pillow that I assume is for the pen to rest on. And then you have your Aurora information in their pamphlet here, and then some more company information in a second one. And then you have your Tundra collection specific brochure here, and it gives you a little bit of background on the pen. It's described as a new sensory experience involving sight, hearing, touch, smell, and writing. So you already have the ink that's chosen specifically to support the theme, and then you have your background material on the Tundra. You also get an exclusive essence that's created in collaboration with an illustrious Italian perfumery, and they put it on carefully selected textured breathable paper so it retains that fragrance inside the box as long as possible. Okay, let's dive into the fountain pen here. This is the Aurora Limited Edition Ambienti Tundra fountain pen. It's a piston filler. The pen's cap and barrel are a light blue and brown marbled auroloide. And it does have sterling silver trims. The Aurora name is in the crown of the cap. Then you have your really detailed engraving in that top ring, and it's a medium-sized ring, and it's got really just intricate, detailed design right there. And then the clip is a tight clip, and it has a ball at the end of it, so it does make it easier to access. That center ring does have the name Aurora again and made in Italy, along with some more of the detailed design. Let's get a good look at it here. On the back of that center ring, you'll also have a unique number, since this is a numbered limited edition. And near the bottom of the barrel, you have another medium-sized ring featuring the same intricate design. And then at the bottom of the barrel, you do have a flat end with silver, the sterling silver again. It's a threaded cap, and the section is metal, and it does feature the theme again, so Tundra. So this is a branch, or a leafy branch, I guess you would say, engraved there on the section. I love the smoky translucent ink window there, so you can look and see your piston filler in action. And we'll get a look at that here in a second. You do have an 18 karat gold nib plated, so it coordinates with your sterling silver trims. And here's your piston filler, and you can watch the piston filler doing its thing right through that ink window. Okay, so this is your limited edition Aurora Ambienti Tundra. Get more information at penchalet.com.